Graduated and still jobless, or not loving the job that you've got? You're not alone, because not all grads walk the same path, and that's okay. Let's talk about it. Hi, I'm Luki, career coach, former computer science grad, and your guide to building a purpose-filled career. When I graduated, it was also a tough time in history. The dot-com bubble burst, 9/11 just happened, SARS was on its way. Times were tough, not too dissimilar to nowadays. But luckily, I had a friend whose brother helped me get an interview, and I ended up landing the job. Job after graduation? Check. I did a good job in the role and started climbing the ladder. I was lucky and I was able to progress one step from the top. But when I was looking at the top, I realized that wasn't what I wanted. Then I learned that careers zigzag. You might be one of these 3 grads. Number 1 is the grad who landed exactly what they wanted. Number 2 is the grad who got a job, but not quite the dream job. Number 3, the grad that's still searching and scrolling LinkedIn like it's Tinder for jobs. Here's some tips for each one.
No question about it, I am ready to get hurt again.
If you're the type of grad that landed the job you wanted, celebrate. But don't get too comfy. Build your network, sharpen your soft skills, be curious and ask what's next before you have to. As a pro tip, draft your retirement memo and plan out various future variants. Then, take a step daily to one of those goals. You might think that you're early in your career, but you'll find that taking a step daily to goals compounds to success. Now, if you've landed a job, but not quite the one you wanted, still celebrate. Landing a job is an achievement on its own. Consider your job as a benefit. Just because it's not exactly what you wanted, you're not stuck. You're getting paid to learn. Even more importantly, you can experience versus just learn theoretically. Take time to experience and evaluate what you like and what you don't. Use this time to upgrade your skills. The right job might be just one pivot away. As a pro tip, don't just learn and have experiences, also build meaningful relationships. Invest in your relationships and they'll compound over years and decades. If you graduated and didn't land a job yet, this part sucks, but it's common. You're not behind. Everyone's path unfolds differently. Focus on progress, not perfection. Build meaningful connections. Practice articulating your value in your story. Apply with quality versus just quantity. And please, don't let rejection define your worth. As a pro tip, surround yourself with folks that can level up your life and habits, or get a coach to help you out. So, which grad are you? Let me know in the comments below. And why don't you join us in the Focus Inspired Academy if you want to start building your dream career today? Before you click off, if you'd like to find your purpose, click here. And if you want to master your mindset, click here. Until next time, be focused and stay inspired.